प्यार क्या कहना।
मिले हम छलक उठा खुशी का खुमार क्या कहना। खिले खिले चेहरों से आज घर है मेरा गुले गुलजार क्या कहना।
खिले खिले चेहरों से आज घर है मेरा गुल गुलजार क्या कहना।
ऐ दिल लाया है बहार अपनों का प्यार क्या कहना।
मिले हम छलक उठा खुशी का खुमार क्या कहना।
हेलो नंदनी, कैसी हो बिटिया? आपको बेटा जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। प्रभु श्री राम से कामना है कि आप सदा सुखी स्वस्थ और दीर्घायु हो। अपने ज्ञान व गुणों से पूरे परिवार और समाज को गौरवित करें। ठीक है, छोटे ही करना।
Hello Nanni, happy birthday to you. May God bless to you. Hi Nanni, I miss you. I miss your birthday celebration. May God bless you. May God fulfill your dreams always.
Hi Nanni, wishing you a very happy birthday yaar. I'm too shy to express myself, but just wanted to say that I don't know how to thank you, but I'm very lucky to have you in my life yaar. Thank you for being such a great daughter, sister, wife and a friend yaar. Thank you for always being there for me no matter how much I annoy you. Sorry, I'm really very sorry for that yaar. Thank you for all your help and encouragement. You always make me feel special, but for me you are special in every way, and I wish you achieve all your goals in life and get success at every step of life. I always wish best for you. I always look up to you, and you will always be my role model yaar. I just wanted to say that I just love you and I miss you so much, but I promise you कि हम पक्का पार्टी करेंगे जब थोड़ी सी सिचुएशन ठीक होगा, बहुत सारी दारू एंड अच्छे खाने के साथ, पक्का प्रॉमिस, ठीक है। एंड तब तक के लिए हैप्पी क्वारंटीन बर्थडे टू यू माता जी। टेक केयर, बाय बाय। थोड़ा सा याद कर लेना हमें भी। डू मिस अस गर्ल, बाय, लव यू।
हम भी अगर बच्चे होते, हम भी अगर बच्चे होते, नाम हमारा होता गबलू बबलू, खाने को मिलते लड्डू और दुनिया कहती हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। हम भी अगर बच्चे होते, हम भी अगर बच्चे होते, नाम हमारा होता गबलू बबलू, खाने को मिलते लड्डू और दुनिया कहती हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
कहाँ हो तुम, कहाँ हो तुम, प्यार में तेरे यहाँ हम गुम। हम दीवाने हम मस्ताने, सारी दुनिया से अनजाने, कोई जाने या ना जाने, ढूंढ रहे हैं सभी ठिकाने हम तो बजा के धुन 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 धुन।
तेरी मेरी ऐसी जुड़ गई कहानी कि जुड़ जाता जैसे दो नदियों का पानी। मुझे आगे तेरे साथ बहना है, जाना तुम्हें तो है ये बात जानी कि ये जिंदगी कैसे बनती सुहानी। मुझे हर पल तेरे साथ रहना है, तुम कुछ अधूरे से हम भी कुछ आधे, आधा आधा हम जो दोनों मिला दे तो बन जाएगी अपनी एक जिंदगानी। ये दुनिया मिले ना मिले हमको, खुशियाँ भगा देंगी हर गम को। तुम साथ हो फिर क्या बाकी हो, मेरे लिए तुम काफी हो, मेरे लिए तुम काफी हो, मेरे लिए तुम काफी हो।
Hi Nandini, as we are just good friends, I've been asked to record a birthday message for you. So here wishing a very happy birthday, and I would like to take this opportunity to remind you how lucky you are to have me and your friends. So keep cherishing us. Have a great year. Good luck. Bye bye.
हम तो ऐसे टूटे फूटे से थम थड़म से दिन दहाड़े बैठे बैठे गिर गए मुंह के बल। यूं हमने सोचा हमें तो भाई सब पता है, मिल रही इस गलत फहमी की सजा है। इरादे तेरे मेरे बिल्कुल थे तेरे मेरे जैसे, हम हैं उल्टे सीधे से। छोड़ो ना रोना धोना जब तक के संग में है ना यारी यारों की। धीरे 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 जिंद बकरी, धीरे 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 जिंद बकरी,
बिगड़ी सी आदत है साले सालों की है, बिखरे से ख्वाबों को मुट्ठी भर के जी ले, लम्हों को डिब्बे में बंद करके हम जी ले। गहरी है मीलों सी यारी अपनी वीरे, उतरे जो मौजों में लंबी सांसें खींचे, बन जाए किनारे तू पैरों के नीचे।
इरादे तेरे मेरे बिल्कुल थे तेरे मेरे जैसे, हम हैं उल्टे सीधे से। छोड़ो ना रोना धोना जब तक के संग में है ना यारी यारों की। धीरे 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 जिंद बकरी, धीरे 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 जिंद बकरी, धीरे 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 जिंद बकरी, धीरे 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 जिंद बकरी।
Hi, my longest standing friend Nandi. Happy birthday. Birthday in the time of Corona. I'm sorry, I just had to say it. I wish you really well, as I've been doing for so many years. आज जब रचिता ने मुझे बोला कि कुछ वीडियो बनाना है, मैं सोचती रही कि क्या डालूँ मैं उसको कुछ फैंसी बनाने के लिए, और मुझे जो बेस्ट दिमाग में आया वो मैं यही सोच सकती हूँ कि हम टीनेज से लेके अडल्टहुड तक फ्रेंड्स हैं. आई नो लेम बट दिस इज द मोस्ट फैंसीएस्ट थिंग आई थॉट ऑफ टुडे. आई एम सो सॉरी. Hopefully meet you on the other side of Corona. Have a very good day. Love you.
Hi Nandini, a very very happy birthday to you. I hope this quarantine birthday you get what your heart desires. And yes, thank you so much for always being there for us, listening to us. You're like an elder sister. Happy birthday. We'll meet soon. Bye.
Happy birthday, Nandu. And so you have always been our biggest source of inspiration for me. And thank you so much for helping me out in this 1 year in my assignments, in bunking the classes. And really, the time I spent with you has always been nostalgic and very well cherished. Wishing you tons of happiness, love, and prosperity in your life. And happy birthday once again. Lots of love.
Hi Nandini, happy birthday! I will not mention your year because you do not actually look like what your year is. So my birthday has ended and your birthday has started, and it's time to have fun, though in quarantine. I hope you're already having much fun. I don't know what time we are showing you this video, but I hope today we are showing it much faster. And I have always admired you, always. First day when we met in the local CP, when I came home, I told my mom, there is a girl who is going to join, and she's a teacher of pol science in 11th and 12th, and now she's doing her MBA, and so is her husband. And I've always admired you and Sachin both, how you handle stuff. And we have worked on numerous projects, but the most evident was the corporate strategy. The way you had handled the team, I don't think somebody could have handled Adi, Manjeet, and every Namunas in our group better. I wish you a lifetime of success. You deserve all the happiness in the world, all the success, and I am so glad that I got a friend like you who can guide me through every wrong and right. Please be the same always, and love you and happy birthday.
Hi Nandini, a very happy birthday. क्या बोलूँ किधर से start करो? It's like as a person, I learned many things from you, because I still remember the day during our initial days when classes used to happen, and you're little worried how gonna happen, and the worst thing was maths has started first, and you don't like it. So I still remember what you spoke to us regarding the statistical methods, and the way you carried out throughout the year was commendable. That was one of the good quality that I learned from you, because every task when you encounter in a life, you have to take it as a challenge, and you proved it, and you proved yourself. And one more thing I can say, if you would have partied today, pakka I would have made lemon rice for you. But that thing gonna happen, and enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Start. Hello Nandini. Hi. Many happy returns of the day. One thing that I want to say about you is that, which obviously it's pretty evident and everybody knows, is that you're very pretty. And we've known this since the very first day. In fact, people used to think that you're not married, and they used to think that probably you're 23, and I'm not kidding, right? But more than that, what I want to tell you is that you're a very wonderful human being, right? We have worked together in only one project, and that's design thinking, and that is where I realized that probably we have the same structured thinking approach, right? And there are a lot of things that I miss about you not being here. That is our movie nights, our late night Shriram Dhaba trips, our coffee dates, our ice cream trips, our gossips, and how can I forget the talks that we had inside the hostel gallery late at night. The room is still here, but you are missing, and you're being missed by all of us, especially me and Varun. I still remember as to how all of us went along with you to the Reliance Digital, and just to get the adapter changed. That was one memorable day too. We miss spending time with you, and I hope that by now you've bought the Wonder Woman costume, because obviously you are quarantined. So meet us soon, and many happy returns.
Hi Nandini, happy birthday to you. And I am feeling this I am feeling a lot of joy today, because it is your birthday today. And I remember the time when we used to go out in the morning for our college, and it used to be so stressful with you. There used to be so much of pressure because you have to be there at 8:20. If you're not there at 8:20, you get left behind. So you're always on time. You're this person who wants to leave, who wants to be on time, and this is such an endearing quality to have. In the morning circle, I must reveal something. In the initial days in the morning circle, I think you were the only girl who I recognized out of the lot as being the most dignified person, being the most amazing girl out of the entire lot. So I kind of had a micro mini crush on you. And Sachin, please don't kill me. So I think you have been brilliant throughout the year, and getting to know you has been even better. So, and of course I am a major fan of one thing, that is your capacity. I think all of us are. So you have that in you. So I hope it stays forever and ever. The one thing that I really admire about you is your relationship that you share with Sachin. It is so beautiful, and I got to see it up close when he had come here, and hearing all about it from you too. It is a relationship, I feel, which is full of love, full of passion, and full of respect for each other, which is like the foundation of every relationship that should be. So really respect you for that. And the one thing that is like really ours is like your, Swapnil, and mine is our coffee dates. We would sit together in the evening, have a cup of coffee, and gossip about anything and everything under the sun. And it was so beautiful hanging out with you. It was so amazing spending that time with you. I think these are the days which will never come back. I think we will have to move into another hostel sometime later just to relive those days again. So happy birthday to you once again. And we will get together and have amazing parties once this gets over. Shreya's and yours is due. So we will have amazing parties and we'll hang out together, and I hope we just be better and better friends.
Start. Happy birthday, Nandini. You know how reserved I am, how long I take to make friends. It's so difficult for me to connect with different people, but I'm so glad I came and sat there in the first table where you, Rachita, and few others were on the table, and I'm so glad I could make friends with you, and you have supported me throughout the journey. I still remember there were times when both of us were thinking if our decision to come to Soil was actually good or not. I know we still think about that. But then we supported each other, you supported me, you motivated me throughout, you helped me so much. I must actually thank you for that. Thank you for making for introducing great friends like the ones who are taking video here. Thank you so much. Happy birthday from myself and Nagi. And I don't know who might forget you, who might remember you, but there are two people who will never forget you. Anil sir and Anjali. See you.
Wait, I'm coming. I hope I'm not late for this one at least. So, we all know that Nandini is a little over particular related to time, and we had to drive together for the college. So, I've been saying this to her a lot, that I'm sorry for getting late every time. And now let's come to the part where Nandini says, she's like, Rachita, jaldi kar, chup kar, baith ja, ullu ki patti when you say na. Bas, pyar ho jata hai. So that's how we started, because we used to go to the college together. and those were the best drives, at least for me, because it was with you. So Nandini, see, I'm dressed up like a babe, as you always say, Rachita, dress up like a babe for your birthday celebration, and I'm wearing these earrings also. So yeah, happy birthday, Nandini. Mwah. I love you, we all love you, and dude, you are a perfect mix of, you know, आपके होते हो ना ही मुझे मम्मी की कमी लगती है, ना ही बहन की कमी लगती है, ना ही दोस्त की कमी लगती है, क्योंकि आप हो ही इतने टैलेंटेड, मस्त से, एंड ऑब्वियसली माई गॉसिप पार्टनर. मैं कितना भी ट्राई कर लूँ, आई कैन नॉट resist myself from sharing things from you. So Nandini, आप दिल के बहुत अच्छे हो, एंड आप उतना दिखाते नहीं हो इन जनरल ऑल्सो सबको कि आप कितना प्यार करते हो और कितना सोचते हो, बट आई नो आप करते हो. और थैंक यू हमेशा मेरे टैंट्रम्स लेने के लिए, एंड थैंक यू मुझे हमेशा तो नहीं कहूँगी, कभी कभी डांटने के लिए, जब भी वेन एवर इट वॉज रिक्वायर्ड, एंड हमेशा गाइड करने के लिए, एंड यू आर द जिगर, द टुकड़ा फॉर मी, बहुत ही प्यारा सा. आई लव द वे यू आर, आई ऑलवेज लुक अप टू यू, एंड आई वॉन्ट टू बी लाइक यू इन सम वेज. एंड हमेशा खुश रहो, ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस मत लो, एंड ऑलवेज बी पॉजिटिव. नाउ you have me in your life. Be positive. I love you, Nandini, and I'm missing the hugs and the kisses, dude. I mean, long time. I know you're not missing, but I'm missing them a lot. I love you, yaar. Jaldi milo. And I want to tell you that I always, observe you whenever you are dancing, because you look so cute, Nandini. You look so cute. And I miss all the fun. And hope to see you soon. And love you. And see, I've got something. For you. Happy birthday! See you.
जिंदगी का आखिरी दिन होगा, क्या हुआ तेरा वादा, वो कसम वो इरादा.
Now just hold. अरे यार स्वैप्स, हमारी लाइन आने वाली है. स्वैप्स ऐसे करके बस. आने वाले.
Oh fuck.
मैं ही करती हूँ घर पर हाथ कैसे दिखा वही तो ना सुरु प्लीज बोलना अब आई खाने का ना मीनिंग समझ नहीं डेकोरेटेड हो
After me, they entered, so I'm not sure how to take this.
We took out the liquor. And I took out the melody.
Oh, that is your achievement.
There's no melody.
Arja ma'am enters the class and we have a presentation. I am sitting next to Rachita. नंदिनी क्या बोलूं यार कुछ बता दो भैया मैं नहीं करती and driving so once we were coming out of a mall and there was a slope so I told Rachita to be careful. Rachita is like she's like ha and then she just went down and she left me staring at Rachita. हम धीरे धीरे आगे हो रहे
If someone wants to approach her for something, she'll not be there in the cabin.
Oi!
Ask mommy. She'll be doing TikTok.
We are talking about HR.
Yeah, many people talk about me.
Busy doing it.
ये रिक्रूट करेगी क्या इंटरव्यूज आएंगे मेरी लिपस्टिक दिखेगी I'll recruit a girl like me only.
If she's wearing
danglers. My
Kylie Jenner,
lipstick तो नहीं हटा.
upload.
चलो नंदी करने अब. कैसे करने?
श्रेया कौन है? मेरी श्रेया.
तेरी श्रेया को दे रहा फोन अपनी.
Someone on the spot. You can say Mary.
No fuck.
हमें गिर मत मेरे ऊपर प्लीज.
ओए वरुण का वो कौन सा?
वो कुछ भी वो रहा स्वप डाइनिंग पे फ्लाइट के यू आल्सो गिव वन लेमन राइस आएगा तू पहले